Want to see how to make an affordable two-person desk for under $10? Stay tuned. This video is another Pinterest-inspired collab started by Roxanne of The Guy's Life, and so all the information for this collab, including the playlist, which will have all the other videos for all the other awesome ladies in this collab, will be listed below. So after watching this video, please be sure to check out their videos and give them some love and let them know what you liked about their Pinterest projects for this month. When starting this project, I knew that I was going to use pallet wood because it's affordable and sustainable and fits into our family dynamic for this no-spend year. And so I went to Pinterest and looked up pallet desk. I was really fond of the ones that were attached directly to the wall because of the slim profile. They were easy to clean and vacuum under, which was a great and beneficial thing, especially when you have kiddos and pets at home. And so once I figured out the basic design that I wanted, I then showed Daniel a few different designs, as you can see here, some with an open layout, some with a closed layout, and we decided to eventually go with something with a solid design on the top of the desk that would accommodate two workspaces, as well as to allow us to also have the use to put something decorative perhaps, or a lamp or things for school. And so once we knew the design that we wanted from Pinterest, we went to a local business. They were kind enough to donate several pallets to us. We hauled them home, and that was it. And now Daniel will get started with the project.
Today we'll be doing a pallet desk for my wife. I have two sets of pallets here. The pallets on the floor, these shorter pallets, I'm going to disassemble this, and this will become the support structure. And then I'm going to disassemble these longer boards, and they'll actually become the desktop. What we plan on doing is putting it into the wall. I'm going to mount it from the middle part of this window to the middle part of this window over here. It should come up about yay big, right? Like good enough to have two laptops sit side by side on them. It's an easy project. Part of the minimalist month we're doing, a minimalist year we're doing, the no spend year. And so hopefully you enjoy the project and be inspired to try one out. To do this project, you'll need a pair of pliers, power drill, power sander with a sanding strip, a hammer, a jigsaw, rubber mallet, supports, assortment of nuts and screws, nails, and of course 2 pallets. You'll note we do not have any material to stain the pallets. What we're going to do is we're going to be painting the walls white, and we're actually going to use the trim paint. It's kid safe, non-toxic on this, but we're going to be doing it in the spring when the weather's better for the painting. So I'm going to sand this down, get this nice and smooth, so the only thing we'll have to do is go over it with the trim paint in the spring when we paint the room. Alright guys, this project is a very simple, straightforward project. Someone with minimal experience using tools should be able to handle it really well. We found this inspiration for this project on Pinterest and on the internet. There are plenty of Pinterest-based projects that you can do yourself, or you can use those projects to inspire your own version of this. Just something really quickly. When you go looking for your pallet wood, there's a lot of places that will give you pallets for free or leave them out for you to pick up. Make sure that you look for the HT symbol on the side of the pallet whenever possible. HT means heat treated, so you're not bringing any chemicals into your house that might affect your pets or your family or your kids. So it's just one thing to keep in mind when you're hunting for materials. But again, the materials are free, and it's just a question of just having the supplies and just putting in the work. So let's get started. That's it. This is our tabletop desk. It was made for under $10. It was $1.50 per bracket underneath. So 4 brackets, that's $6 plus a few screws. Some of them I had already had on hand, but a little bit of screws just to kind of make sure it went over. But very simple, very easy. You don't have to be a handyman to put this together.
And then we made a few alterations to the original design. And as you can see, I took a few second thoughts at what I wanted the desk to look like and had Dan make a few modifications. And the first of which is we added legs. I just felt that it would make it more stable. And the second thing, we're putting wood flaps on the front of the desk, which are really, really sturdy and kind of give it that barn house look. And so I like it so much that I'm not even sure that I'm going to paint it white come the spring. I still haven't decided. And something else we did that you can see here is I added teacup hooks to the underside of the desk, and that allows me to have all the cords pulled up when the desk isn't being used or something's not being turned on, because I unplug all of my electronics at night. And the third thing here, I'll have to apologize to the light because it has been dark and dreary in our house for about 4 days, and so even with ceiling fan light and my light kits going, it's dark, dark, dark. So anyway, something else here is by adding the extra support under the desk, it allows there to be 2 complete workstations. And so I moved one of my computers into this side of the desk, my salt lamp, and then brought in my daughter's Chromebook for school and her stand for her iPad. And I also wanted to mention that the chair here is actually a salvage chair. At the end of each school year in our county, a lot of the schools will put out desks and chairs and filing cabinets and what have you free for the public. And so we found this last year, so I would love to get another one because, as you can see, there's storage underneath the chair too. So it makes it really, really accessible, and I love how it turned out. Again, the cost for this, including brackets and screws, was $7.50, everything that we had on hand. And I'm super, super excited how everything turned out, and I would love it if you all would let me know below what you think about it. Be sure to check out the playlist, and thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day, guys.